Hello and welcome to Shop Talk with Dan the Man. Today's video we're going to talk about renovations, and I have a special guest with me. Hello, if you're new to this channel, my name is Dan Shannon. I enjoy woodworking as a hobby and being out in the shop. On this channel, dive deep into my shop as we explore tools and tool reviews, as well as chatting about everything related to woodworking. If this grabs you by the tool belt, please subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this. Hello and welcome to Shop Talk Dan the Man. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. Today's video, we're going to talk about the different types of renovations. I have a special guest here today, Daegu Cha. So what are the three different types of renovations? Well, the first type of renovation is cosmetic. Cosmetic renovations upgrade your home's look and feel. These might involve painting walls, installing new flooring, or replacing kitchen cabinets. Often affordable, quick, and cosmetic updates will do the appeal for the home as well as refresh the look. So a lot of times when you're doing these types of renovations, it makes your house feel fresh and new. And we're going to jump into later on what we've done for this type of renovation. So let's start off with the first type of renovation, which is cosmetic. What are some examples of renovations you've done in your home for these cosmetic? Do you want to?
There's so many of them. I've done the flooring, I've done the hardwood stairs, and I've done a lot of painting. And I did tiles on the bathrooms and the kitchens. And I've done, let's see. Yeah, just those cosmetic, like everyday, general thing. And we replaced the windows too, and the doors as well. So yeah, I've done many things.
Yeah, and I've tackled quite a few. My last house, I did all new flooring in the basement. So that was 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, and a rec room. So I went through the entire basement floor and did all new flooring. I painted my whole house from top to bottom. My wife helped me, and my father-in-law, he's a painter, so definitely a shout out to him for helping with that. Tiled bathroom. I did a fake mantle in front of my wood stove. That was the current project that I worked on last year.
Yeah, it looks nice, by the way.
Yeah, thanks for that. Just wanted to pause and touch a little bit more on the jobs I've done over the years. My last job was working at a hotel, and at a hotel there's lots of stuff that happens in rooms, damage that gets done to drywall, so I had to do a lot of patchwork. Bathrooms needed some tile for the floors. I had to reinstall toilets. They had jacuzzi tubs. I had to do backsplash around the jacuzzi tubs. There was lots for me to do. And I'm going to be starting my kitchen countertop soon. And basically, I'm not going to gut it or take the cupboards out. I'm going to basically do an overlay of butcher block on the existing counter just to kind of give it a little bit of a pop. So yeah, those are the different types under that. Cosmetic. You apply the tools, the knowledge, and you're the sweat equity of the project. So put all that together, and what a masterpiece you can do with a cheap budget.
Yeah, and if you're not a handyman or you never done renovation before, it's not hard as you think it is.
No, it can be scary.
Yeah, it's definitely scary, but there's a lot of people, who start, and they mess up sometimes, but I have messed up a lot of times.
So you get better.
But you practice, you research, and you ask around, and you have a tools. It's easy to start, and you get to do work on your house, and the feeling of accomplishment is greater than not
Sure,
having any.
you did it with your own hands.
Yeah,
Like the reno I did to install our wood stove. That was a lot of work. Tied up a lot of our house just to do that reno. But at the end of the day, I can throw some wood in the fire and sit back and enjoy that. Same with your backyard. You can sit back
my
and roast
backyard,
marshmallows
my
in the fire
closet.
pit,
When I
closet.
finish
Yeah.
the closet,
Yeah,
my wife was very happy.
yeah. At the end
And
of the day.
that's all I needed, right?
That is all you need. Yeah, cheers to that. Yeah, that is all you need. So yeah, basically, the long and the short of it is just try these renovations.
Yeah,
You'll surprise yourself with your capability, and you never know until you try it.
yeah,
Right?
definitely.
Yeah. So I would say thanks to Daegu for coming on today.
Thanks for having me.
And
it was fun.
and joining on Shop Talk. And if you haven't already, please click that subscribe button below. Be part of the Shop Talk family. We'd love to have you on board. And as always, give me a thumbs up. And if you have any comments about renovations, like Daegu said, we're not experts in anything to do with this, but we are a support group out there just to help people plug away and turn your home into something that's functional for yourself.
Yeah, and even building a little playhouse for your kids.
That's right.
Is
That's
just
a good step.
yeah. That's what I've been working on this week actually.
Playhouse.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's out of pallets.
Okay.
Yeah, and
All
some
right.
other stuff. So
You can ship them off later. Is that
yeah,
is
like
that the goal?
just cut it down later and then pour into the fire pit. But
Yeah. All right. Well, have yourself a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.